so happy to be here. Thank you guys for all the encouragement, all the support. So I've always had the anxiety of opening a YouTube page because I didn't have enough and I probably didn't have the right phone. Yeah, my phone had issues and all of that. But yeah, I'm here. So guys, please subscribe. And you can also check me up on my Instagram page at Fikipel and also on Twitter. That's my handle everywhere on every social media: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. And I'm tense, guys. This is not easy, right? I'm on YouTube. Okay. So let's get to the real deal. On my YouTube page and Fikipel's YouTube page, basically going to be all about fashion and restyling. You're going to learn how to remake your outfit. You're going to learn how to DIY your outfits. You can use your scarf, you can use feathers, you're just going to learn everything about revamping your outfits. Like, as you know me, I love fashion. I have some outfits that have been in my wardrobe for like years, and if I wear them again, somebody will possibly still compliment me, because I just have a way of restyling my outfits and wearing them more than once. And trust me, you have to do that. The economy is not smiling, so even if it's smiling, you don't have to splurge all your money on buying new clothes when you can revamp your old clothes. So get to know me. I'm Olola Bafikayo. I have an elder sister and a younger brother. I come from a military background. Okay. Alright. I'm a graduate of Obafemi Awolowo University, as they say. Oba University, Creative. Okay, so again, I'm a Christian. Nickname is Fikipel. Yeah, my English name is spelled Fikayo Fiki, so Fikipel. You get. I'm based in Abuja presently. I'm a Nigerian by birth. I wish I wasn't sometimes though. Anyway, I love Nigeria. I love Nigerian food. I'm not a swallow person. I love burger, I love pancakes, I love all the yummy stuff. I don't really like eating serious food, because at the end of the day, you are going to go to the toilet. So what's the essence? Anyway, I'm just all about the good food, and I'm not a swallow person. Setting up this channel has always been my passion. Yeah, because sometimes I want to share some things and I feel I cannot just share it if everybody can see it. I feel this is a gift to me from God, and there's no other way to utilize it than to make the whole world know about my gifts and impact lives. You don't have to spend so much to do good, right? You can use as little as your 200 naira scarf to do good. So that's why I'm all about the DIY and the restyling life, because I know some people go out of their way just to do good, but darling, you don't need that. You can do good the way you are, and you don't have to break the bank to look good. All of you that have been telling me, oh, Fikipel, open your YouTube page, guys, I'm finally here. So please subscribe, share, tell your friends, your lovers, your boyfriends, everybody to subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry about my voice. This is my first time, so please manage it, okay? In the short minutes, I'm going to be showing you guys most of my DIY tricks and tips that I posted some while ago on my Instagram page, which a lot of people liked. So you get to see that. And next week, I'm going to be bringing you guys new stuff, so you don't want to miss that. So just subscribe, turn on your notifications, and trust me, you will regret it. There are a lot of things you have to learn from me. I also so, like my motto says, I was created to correct. My popular post on Instagram, I elevated this white shirt using a scarf.